Hello everyone! I am Lucky Alvaro, founder of Discover Manila, a food, travel, and lifestyle blog. Okay naman, very insightful and I'm so excited kasi sobrang ganda ng lineup ng speakers natin, ng panelists natin, and ang ganda ng topic. Sobrang helpful siya for business owners. And ang ganda rin na ang dami nating learnings na makuha from this event. It is for free. So, sobrang talagang ang daming advantage when you're here. Okay. So, number one kasi awareness. Like, almost everybody is online. Almost everybody has social media. And they check it every single day. Siguro kayo rin. Ganun din talaga kayo. So, very, very important. Especially if you have a business para makilala kayo. That's one of the best ways talaga to utilize. Kasi libre siya. Tapos, at least, ang dami tao. Yung mga market nyo nandun din naman. So, try to capture as much eyes as possible through social media awareness. Alright, so utilize all the channels. Aralin nyo kung ano yung effective per channel. For example, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Kung mas effective ba na videos tayo or mga articles, mga photos. And then, just try to maximize as much as possible yung mga pages nyo and share things about your business, kung ano din yung mga advantages dun sa mga customers nyo, and just look for the right, alamin nyo yung target market nyo and alamin nyo kung paano sila kausapin online para makapture nyo sila. For me, right now talaga, ang isa sa pinakamadaling pasukan in terms of virality is TikTok. Utilize TikTok very well, do live selling, and learn how to navigate the different tools in app kasi ang dami talagang pwedeng magamit, especially for small businesses.